Hey guys, welcome back. Just got home from work a little while ago and I had a big pink box waiting on me. Now, the crazy thing about this is I received the notification that it was processing. I'm just going to pull my drawer out and I know that's going to shake you. So I can use that for a tabletop. But I didn't get a shipping notice. But then today I got the email that it had been delivered. So I know in the craziness with this release, I didn't get a shipping notice. I got the processing email, but not the shipping email. So let's get in. There is all of the pink tissue paper. I did have the tape cut. And I want to save this tissue paper for when I wrap other stuff up. So I'm not throwing this beautiful pink tissue paper away. I am going to erase it and recycle. So, I only ordered 2 things. Some more pink. Alright, there is my shipping notification. 2 things. Alright, guys. There's some more pink paper. Alright, yeah, there's what I was looking for. There is the postcard that he usually puts in the blue blood. And there's my 2 palettes. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do the blue one first because this was the release. So there is a sticker and it does say blue blood on it. Okay. Paper wrap under there. Paper wrap, bubble wrap, more pink bubble wrap. Oh, look at the box, guys. Can you hear that? That's all raised up. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. How does it open? It opens like the BoxyCharm box. Okay, so opens like this. Oh my gosh. I don't want to tear up the box. I want to keep the box. Even though I don't need to keep the box. That box is a beautiful box. So that is weighty. There's the beautiful blue metal clasp. Wow. He outdid himself on this. And I know another good reason, there's even a little star up in there. It is harder for the counterfeit makers to reproduce this. I mean, I'm sure they're going to do it. Oh, that opens so easy. They're going to copy it. I mean, they're just going to, but wow. There's the mirror. I know we don't usually show the mirrors, but there's the mirror with all the pretty trim. Hey, Shannon. And there's all the shades. Oh my gosh. I really debated on this palette because I'm like, Shannon, you don't wear enough blues to... But then you've got all those beautiful peachy colors and the greens. Oh my God, look at that one. I want to get my fingers in there, but guys, I don't want to mess up the pans. Oh my gosh. We will do a look with this. This pan right here looks like it is popping up just a little bit, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, guys. This is just going to be an unboxing. We'll use this in a tutorial. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Cullinan has got some shimmer in it. Crystal Flesh. Ice Tray. Oh my gosh. I gotta do Ocean Ice, guys. It has glitter. You can feel the glitter. And it is so soft. That is so crazy. I mean, it's chunks of glitter. And I already have some glitter on the back of my hand from this morning from doing this look. So I'm going to kind of put this over here. And yes, you got to kind of work that shade because of the glitter. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I want it on my eyes. I want it on my eyes right now. But oh my gosh, that is absolutely It did stain my finger a little bit. That's gorgeous. So I'm not going to mess any of the pens up. I don't know. You want to swatch a couple more? Let's swatch a couple more. Shoot, I'm already messed that one up. So let's do Cullinan. Man, that is soft. Let's do another blue on this finger since it has reminiscent of blue. That is Deceased. And let's do this green, Entitled. Gosh, that is so soft. And let's do Undertaker. Wow. Guys, I've never had any of his eyeshadow palettes, so I'm super excited to try these. Oh, man. It's Cullinan. I was just seeing how that blended like a dream. Wow. Even this matte on my finger, the Undertaker. Look at that. Oh. That doesn't look patchy. Now, whether or not it's going to go on my eyes patchy is a totally different thing. Just rubbing it on my hand with my pinky. I cannot wait to play with these. Alright. So look what I happen to have. That blue. Oh my gosh. And he just launched his concealers today. The official launch since he got his products stolen and he had to bump up. Well, he didn't have to, but he went ahead and bumped up the release because, I mean, it was already out there. And it did. You can still see it. That one kind of stains the finger, so it's probably going to stain a little bit on the eyes. And that was Ocean Ice, that really deep blue glitter right there. Oh my gosh. Super excited about that. I gotta get my hubby to put me some shelves. Like right here, maybe. I want to eventually move all my stuff, you know, in there. And I will have a shelf to display all my beautiful packaging. Alright, so there's Blue Blood. And then the other one I have been wanting for so long since it came out is Blood Sugar. So I got it too. And look at the paper. It's got glittery like bits. So this is my birthday haul. I told my hubby, I was like, I don't need anything else. I don't want anything else. I'm good. Alright. Let's do Blood Sugar. And there's the Blood Sugar. Oh, he is outdoing himself with the packaging. You guys have seen this one, so I'm not going to like linger on this one super long. Absolutely amazing. This one has the double clasps. Ooh. The clasp on Blue Blood is a lot fancier than these. Now these may be a little more like sterile, or you know what I'm saying, for the packaging, the Blood Sugar, medical top. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the actual shade Blood Sugar. So again, there's that big, beautiful mirror. The little medical crosses here with a J star in it. And there is all the shades. You guys have seen this one like swatched to death, but I want to go into Cherry Soda. Wow. Blood Sugar, I've got to touch that one. Donor. Oh my god, that is so soft. You just barely touch it and like the J's are already gone. And then Root Canal, the purple. I'll clean that hand off. That is so pretty. I did touch Cherry Soda. Again, I was blending. I like to see how they just kind of blend. Oh my gosh. Look at Blood Sugar. That's that one. This one. Donor. Look at that purple. You guys know I love purple. We'll be doing looks with both of these. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I hate that I messed up the pans, but you know, gotta mess them up. I'm gonna do Coma. I'm just watching more of this one. I've wanted this one since it came out. Extraction, Cavity, Sweetener. Guys, that is just such a light. I mean, I'm just barely like touching. And look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use these. I will be using it in the morning. Alright guys, that is birthday haul number 2. Jeffree Star. That was the only thing I got. Was the Blue Blood and the blood sugar. You guys know I've been trying not to buy a whole lot. I've been trying to use up stuff I have. Oh my gosh. I am thrilled to have both of these. And look where this one's magnetized. This is what I used today. Just peachy. Oh man, that is just gorgeous. This clasp is absolutely amazing. I know some people had trouble getting theirs open. It's a little stiff right at the beginning, but here, let's do, I want to squatch some more since I've already started. This one, let's do this one. Gosh, they're so soft. Let's see, that was Mint Tea, Crystal Flesh, Deceased, and let's do Blue Monday. Which is the one with the cloud in it. Oh mercy, I'm out of room. Ooh, that Crystal Flesh. That's pretty. Oh man. He will have to come out with like a master collection, like a greatest hits, and do like bits from all of his palettes together. That would be awesome. Can tell you that one's staining a little bit, some of the reds. And it wasn't on my fingers long. Look at that. Not for immediate use around the eye area. Or what is it? For use around the immediate eye area. Oh God, that is so pretty. That. I can't get over it. Alright guys, that is it for this super quick video unboxing of more of my birthday haulage. I'm keeping these for right now because they're just pretty. Will this one fit down inside this one? No. Darn it. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I still do have that little giveaway going, so be sure you check it out. And I'll leave that link below. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.